Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to type the telephone number in this manner as I'm highlighting here, other than this here. Sometimes you want to type a telephone number like this, and then once you click like this, you click down like this, you find that that zero disappears. I'm going to show you the three methods in which you can type your telephone number so that they can appear like this. Method number one, let's click here. You will come here, it is always on general like this. You will come here and then you go to text. You click. Once you click text, it means that you have converted this particular area to accept the telephone number. Like we can type like this, and then the telephone number will remain the same without zero disappearing. Method number two is that you click Control and 1 like this. Once you click Control and 1, you see this box will come, whereby you come and click text, then you click what? Okay. Once you do that, if you type something like this, it means that the telephone number will not lose its zero. Let me try in this column so that you can understand what I'm talking about. You may think that I have already formatted this. You click Control 1 like this, you click text, and then you come and click OK. When you type a telephone number like this, the zero will not disappear. Okay. Method number 3, you can start by clicking apostrophe like that and then followed by the telephone number. So once you do that, it means that the telephone number will not lose zero, but apostrophe will disappear. And even if you print, that apostrophe will not appear there. So this is just the only solution for you to type telephone number starting with 0. So if you have a list of telephone numbers and you want them to start with 0, maybe you have 10 people and they want to type their telephone number, all you have to do, you have to highlight like this up to the number of the people you have, and then from there you come and click on that, you click on text, which means by the time you start to type like this and you finish, it means that the telephone number will appear as you have typed. This is just what I wanted you to know about this. In case this video has been productive and you want to be part of my channel so that you can continue to learn more about Excel, please subscribe to my channel, hit a like, share to some people who need this. Thank you. See you in the next video.